Hello, how are you? Welcome to a new installment of your Pharmacy Assistant. On this occasion, we would talk about what it is used for and how it is used. So let's take a look.
Hey there, athletes! Today we're going to talk about creatine monohydrate, a super popular supplement in the world of fitness. Let's get started. So, what is creatine monohydrate? Well, creatine is a substance that's already in our muscles, and it helps us produce energy when we do intense exercise, like lifting weights or sprinting. How do you take it? It's usually taken in two phases. First, we have the loading phase, where you take about 20 grams a day for 5 or 7 days. It's best to divide that amount into 4 doses of 5 grams each. After that comes the maintenance phase, where you reduce the dose to about 3 to 5 grams daily. Ideally, take it after training, mixed with water or your favorite protein shake. And how does it work? Creatine helps produce more ATP, which is like fuel for our muscles. This gives you more energy to train harder and for long. Does it have side effects? Most people don't have problems, but some may feel a little bloating or stomach discomfort. To avoid this, it's important to drink plenty of water. And finally, a couple of important tips. First, always consult with a doctor before taking any supplement. And second, don't go over the recommended dose and follow a balanced diet and a good training plan. In short, creatine monohydrate can be a great help for your workouts. Use it responsibly, and you'll see amazing results. Until next video, athletes.
If you've made it this far, let us know in the comments why you're using this medicine.